I'm Lora, class of 2024, interviewing this year's Jacob residency lecturer, Dianna Lora. Dianna is class of 2000 of Mercersburg Academy and works in the gaming industry, currently as a licensing production manager for Star Wars at Zynga. How did you get into the gaming industry?
I started out in performing arts in musical theater. I graduated with a musical theater degree. I was a performer for several years, and little by little, my priorities kind of changed. I started doing a video game TV show in public access, and then did podcasts and started websites, and where I met a lot of people that then helped me kind of venture into the industry as well. You can be on one particular path, and then all of a sudden, one decision completely changes the course of your life. One day is not like the next, and that's what makes it fun. But it's also tough, because sometimes you run into a wall and you can't keep moving forward, but you have to try and find that little crack that you can sort of slide through and continue doing the work.
How has campus changed since you've been here?
I'm perpetually jealous of every single student here. I feel like I go somewhere new. Like, I just met someone who was like, oh, it just came out of stage combat. I was like, excuse me? What are you talking about? That's absolutely insane. It's wonderful to see the evolution of what is being offered here. There's really been an emphasis on like boosting creativity and independence as well, and giving students an opportunity to try different things and finding what they love. So that's wonderful. That's really, really wonderful to see.